Learn how to repair lifting veneer and to refinish a surface with an aged, well cared for, glowing appearance. Not in a particularly good state. There's a lot of water damage and the finish has started to craze. Now, when I look at the veneer, I can see that some of the string, although very nice, is starting to lift. This video will show the assessment of the work needed to repair the tray. I will demonstrate how to make and apply a reactivating solution for the glue. I will describe the sequence and process of laying delaminating veneer and inlay, the tools needed and how to use them in clear detail. The video will show the type of stripper to use and the correct solvent to remove the remains of the damaged varnish. I will show the technique of refinishing the work so it will look naturally aged in clear, understandable detail.